Morning, Roger Barron in Melbourne, Florida. Happy to join up with the rest of the gang here in Regina, Saskatchewan. Looking forward to a great ride to Fairbanks, Alaska, north with enthusiasm, but more importantly, a ride to help raise funds for the Sky High organization, which is a great group with our leader, Mike. Thank you.
This is Ken and Katie Metcalf. We're from Lancaster, Ohio in the summer and Bonita Springs, Florida in the winter. We're going to Alaska. It's been a life dream, and we are very anxious to go and really enjoy the ride. We appreciate all this help to get us there. Thank you.
Looking forward to it. Thank you, Mike.
Yes, thank you.